Our product is called mmus. I'm Helen Games.
Jake Hugh.
Emmy Rawson.
Jean Itipakun.
So our product is a chip and dip combination, and it is for a target market of college-age students. We have baked sweet potato chips and 2 flavors of hummus. We have cilantro hummus and chipotle hummus. Our product is gluten-free, and it's easily made vegan or organic.
So how does our product fight with our competitors? So as you can see here, we have 2 main competitors. First, the Tostitos tortilla chips and the Sabra hummus pretzel. Both of them have their own good points, but what made our hummus better was because we have a relatively low price, we have a lot of fiber, and we also have a lot of vitamin A compared to those 2.
Also, our hummus is 90.27% whole foods and 83.1% whole foods in the 2 different combinations. The proposed way that we said you can make hot hummus is through a process flow diagram. We have 2 steps. We have the sweet potato chips, and then we have the hummus. Sweet potato chips are baked off. You also add salt and olive oil, and then our hummus, we make a big batch of base hummus, and then we add cumin, cilantro, and chili powder and almond milk to the first round, which is the cilantro hummus. And then we add chipotle, roasted red pepper, and almond milk to the second batch, which makes the chipotle hummus.
And then we come to the energy balance right over here. We basically use an oven to bake the chips, and it goes from 20 degrees Celsius room temperature to roughly 120 degrees Celsius. And we plan on making this industrial size, so we are planning to use an industrial oven that uses 0.48 kilowatts per hour, and we estimate that to be around 1,300 kilojoules. And we calculated all of the energy that will be roughly needed to make the actual potato chip, and that should come out to 123 kilojoules. And so our thermal efficiency is around 9.51%, but we also plan on using a food processor to mix all the ingredients to make the actual hummus. And we do also plan on using an industrial size food processor, and that comes to 0.12 kilowatts. And so we plan on using 143 kilojoules.
All right, and have you guys tried it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's good?
Fantastic.
Amazing. You should try the cilantro.
All right.
Chipotle, because that's our favorite.